Choosing the right template is an essential part of a great Prezi presentation. Here are a couple of tips to help you choose the right one. From the dashboard, click New Presentation. Once the template chooser opens, you'll see over 100 fully customizable templates. You can scroll down and select one, or use the left sidebar to narrow down your search. Select a category to see what fits, or even filter by color to match your brand or style. Remember, each template is fully customizable, so you can tweak the colors, fonts, or background image anytime. Here's a tip. Our templates often include a visual metaphor to help you set the direction or feel of your presentation. Try choosing one that will help your narrative and make your content more memorable to your audience. For example, if your presentation is about a journey or process, then try to choose a template with ascending topics. Or choose one where the background image resembles a path or journey. Once you've found one that might work, you can click on it to open a preview to see how it looks. Once you're ready, click Use this template to start making this template your own. And be sure to check out our other videos on how to add content or customize the look.